What's up, YouTube? This is Kamcrest NYC. We just wanted to show you a quick project we did in the city. This is a nice surround sound system in a living room. You can see here we have a nice, beautiful Samsung frame TV. We recessed this TV into the wall so it literally looks like true picture art. It has that white frame around it. Then if you look on top, we flushed in the speakers in the ceiling, 3 in the front, 2 in the rear and the back. It shows you the full surround sound effect hidden in a living room environment. Everything is tied into a Logitech Harmony smart remote. You can control it via voice and via app, and obviously you have that right there over there, that physical remote. And then that beautiful white Rebel subwoofer to tie the whole system together. This is a nice, neat, clean, simple example of a nice little theater in a home. Thank you.